What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna quickly show you how to check blocked contacts here on your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I do share cool tech hacks and tutorials as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, going straight into the point here on your iPhone to check for blocked contacts, so you can also unblock if you wish to. Simply hop into settings real quick in here, and then down here, scroll down all the way to apps down here. Now, if you have a pretty old operating system, you might not be seeing the apps option, but you will be able to already see the apps here by scrolling down, as they don't have a specific category on older operating systems. Now tap on apps and you'll be able to see here all the apps that you've got. What you wish to do is go down all the way to letter P, because you want to open up the phone apps real quick. Tap on phone here and then scroll down. You'll be able to see blocked contacts option down here. Simply tap on blocked contacts and you'll be able to see every single blocked contact that you've got here on your phone. Now, what you need to do if you wish to unblock is quite simple. You just need to scroll to the left that specific number and then tap on unblock to unblock that number, and that number will immediately be unblocked and you'll be able to actually contact that number or vice versa. That number will be able to contact you. Now, if you wish to block a specific number as well, it's super easy. You just need to hop into phone here at the left. For example, let's say that I wish to block this contact right here. Simply tap here on I and then tap here on block caller and tap on block contact, and this phone number will be immediately blocked. Alternatively, a quick way to unblock instead of going into settings, you can also simply tap here on I on that specific number and tap on unblock contact, and that contact will be immediately unblocked. I hope this video was useful. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, leave a comment down below and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.